Mid-Autumn Festival 中秋节 is just round the corner. Let's prepare a viral mooncake, rice mooncake, 米月饼. Unlike the traditional mooncake, rice mooncake is not overly sweet, not oily, light and melt in the mouth. You also don't need to bake or wait for it to 回油. That is, rest the mooncake for 2 days before you can eat. So, it is sort of like instant mooncake. Sound great, right? You will be surprised how easy to make this sweet delicacy. We are going to be a better cook. Let's cook together. Firstly, we have to cook all the ingredients. Use woodless oil. You can also bake or steam the flour and oil. Just mix both flour together, then pour onto a tray laid with baking paper. Put the oil separately in a bowl. Then bake both together at 150 Celsius for 15 minutes. Take out and let it cool down. Or steam 30 minutes and let it cool down. I'm using the instant azuki beans with sugar, very convenient. But if you have time, you can cook the raw beans with water and sugar from scratch. Remember to use boiled water. All the raw ingredients must go through high temperature before use. You see this beautiful piece? You can eat immediately. It is soft, melt in the mouth, very fragrant. Extra mooncake can be stored in the fridge in a tight container for up to a week. Of course, one can't enjoy mooncake without a cup of good Chinese tea, chatting away happily with family members in the Mid-Autumn reunion. I wish you a happy Mid-Autumn festival. 中秋节快乐! If you like my channel, remember to subscribe, like and share. I'm Joe. See you again. Bye.